This is a very special video because I'm about to reveal the winner of my Birds Can Fly competition. I have been touched and moved by how many of you have applied. I've absolutely loved seeing them. They are amazing, all of them. And I'm very grateful to all of the children and to all of the parents / guardians who have helped email me the images, and in the majority of cases they were very good. I did have to fix a couple of things, sorry about it. So thank you so much for entering. Competitions are a funny thing. I've entered competitions and have lost most of them. It shouldn't dishearten you. Entering is brave, it's powerful, it's a good thing. It's saying your work is out there, and lots of your work is absolutely brilliant. So that's just a caveat. So I don't want people to be too disappointed when and if they don't win. Some of you may know that this video is slightly in reference to Take Heart, which was a children's TV show in the 70s and 80s. I remember it from the 80s. And it was presented by Tony Hart, who was an artist and animator. And he used to sort of just show little drawings and little things that he did, and they were really cute, and they really encouraged me to be an artist, really. So, in the spirit of that, I'm going to do something, and I'm going to show you something I used to do as a child. I'm going to video myself so you can see me doing it. What you need is a piece of paper, A4, very simple, basic. Actually, in this case, thinner the better. This is A4. I folded it in half. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a little bird. And I'm going to do this from my mind. I'm not going to copy anything. You need some scissors, but if you have scissors, please be careful. And I assume that an adult will be with you when you watch this anyway. So, anyway. So we're going to draw half a bird. I think I'm going to just go... Well, I want the wings to be quite big-ish. So I'm going to do this, and I don't really know what bird it is at this point. That's a wing. No, that's a head. That's a little eye here, a little beak. And, you know, this is not an accurate, this is not a scientifically accurate bird. It's just a bird. And then I'm just going to do the feathers on this bird. And then we're going to do some tail feathers. So I've done that incredibly quickly. And you can do the same, or you can take hours and hours. So I have these scissors. Be careful of scissors. These are quite big, actually, anyway. Then we cut the bird out like this. I can't really see. Cut it out. You can copy what I'm doing, of course. So then I'm just being very swift. Oops, I cut, it doesn't matter. When I was a child, I used to do this all the time, and I did loads of different birds. Funny that, isn't it? And it was super fun. I used to run around the garden playing with this thing that I'm going to make. There we go. I'm being very, very quick. Okay, so you can discard this. Now you have half a bird, which you can then open up. And then you have a bird. And that's fun. So then I'm going to add the other eye and the beak, and I'm going to just sort of mirror what I drew on that side, and then you can be as detailed as you like. I'm going to add, I would, if, in normal times, I would spend hours doing this, and then I would go all the way that way around. Then, what I will do is I will take another piece of paper and I'll pop that in the middle, and I will draw around it. This seems very weird, but it makes sense. I'm doing this incredibly quickly, but you, I'm sure, will do it much better than I will. And we're going to draw this going around here like that. And we're going to go, oops, see, I'm making loads of mistakes. This is not an exact science. And then got the tail around here. Did I do all of it? Nearly. And then, oh dear. Okay, that's near enough. So then we cut this bit out. I might speed this bit up because you've seen how I do this already. I'm obviously being very quick. So there we have two birds, almost exactly the same. So then they fit together like this. So now is the fun bit, because what you do is you get some Pritt stick and you cover the wings, just one wing here, one wing here. Don't go in the middle. Slightly lift it so you've got a bit of a gap, and you stick that down. Then you have a bird. Now, at this point, it would be fun to spend a lot of time filling all of this in like that and making it as colourful as you like. Then what I used to do is I would use a stick, or in this case I'm using a wooden spoon. Oh, that doesn't work. Wooden spoon. I see, so yeah. And then you've got a bird. And I don't know why, I used to run around the garden going, oh look, I can make it fly. You can make it fly. So you can make the glue tighter, or you can mess around with that. You can glue it there. You know, check that there's a wooden spoon. You could use a cane. You could do all sorts of things, but it actually is bringing back memories, happy memories. So you can make that, and it's flying. Oh look, that's good, isn't it? Look, you can have it flying through the screen. I don't know how I did this, but that's fun. And look, and then it actually looks like it's opening its beak. There, a silly thing. So now, to the exciting bit. I've been so lucky to get so many brilliant entries. I just love them all. Reuse blue Siberian robin, so beautifully painted. Look at his face. Alexander's great crested grebe was a very close second. I love Benjamin's osprey with the wings. And Dylan's use of wooden spoons. Genius. Apparently this is Rubens' first completed piece of work. I love the geometry of that peacock. And I love the seriousness in the faces of these kids who are really channeling the bird. Jude is just 2. And this spinny fixed pigeon by Elsie is amazing. So great. Wasn't that nice? Very grateful to all of you for entering. But there does have to be a winner. Oh, but there is a special guest bringing the winning envelope. I'm just going to have a look to see if they're here yet. Can you see? Yeah, they're on their way. I don't normally let my special guest in the house, but I've opened a window. Come in, Kieran. Thank you. The winner is... Drumroll, drumroll. The winner is Elsie, aged 9. Elsie's commitment to the bird was amazing. I love the use of bananas. I just absolutely love it. Everything about it is just so charming. So thank you, Elsie, and your family for helping you. You have to now let me know which bird you'd like me to draw. So thank you so much. It really has been such a treat to do this. Bye-bye.